This video is sponsored by Kspeed. Visit them on the web at brisbanekawasaki.com.au. Hey guys, JD here with the 2022 Kawasaki Ultra 310 LXS. And today I've got another special unboxing from our friends at Kspeed. Oh, love those guys. Anyway, so I've partnered with Kspeed and they've sent me some awesome parts here. And this video is sponsored by Kspeed. I'm thrilled to be working with them on this. And so let's see what we've got in this box, all the way from Australia. Just to mention, this got here faster than stuff I order on Amazon. This is Kspeed's 108mm race spec supercharger pulley, as well as an upgraded idler pulley. And basically, since this new pulley is a smaller diameter than the stock one, you're going to be producing more boost. Now, having that extra boost and keeping the stock BOV, basically all that boost will be vented right back to the airbox. So to take advantage of that boost and allow your engine to take advantage of that boost, you want to make sure that you install the BOV block-off plate. So here is the block-off plate. Really high quality, Kspeed branding, and that's really important to install along with this pulley. All right, so let's see what we've got here. If you guys don't know yet what this is a Kspeed billet fuel rail. So here is a first look at the Kspeed 11mm billet fuel rail assembly for the brand new generation of Kawasaki Ultra 310 jet skis. So my first impressions are that this is just built and designed extremely well. It's just a really high quality piece. I mean, that millwork and everything is just flawless on it. So my ski is about to hit 100 hours. Most of those hours have been run with the Kspeed Stage 1 kit, and nobody, I repeat, nobody knows these Ultra 310s better than the guys at Kspeed. I purchased that Stage 1 kit and all the components I mentioned with my own money, so putting my money where my mouth is, I wouldn't be comfortable running anything else. You guys know I'm a big fan of OEM components. I purchase them when I can. However, that being said, the performance gains I've seen with the ski, both in terms of handling and in power and performance, are incredible. Make the ski much more fun to ride and enjoy. And so again, thank you to the guys at Kspeed for hooking me up with these awesome components. And can't wait to spread this information and share this with other Kawasaki Ultra 310 owners. Stay tuned for the full fuel rail and pulley installation videos, only on JD's Waterworld.